A long time ago, in a distant place, there was a magical forest. In this forest, there are various animals and elves living together in harmony. This story tells the amazing adventures of a little bird and the wonders she discovers in an enchanted forest. One day, a little bird named Linda jumped out of her nest and spread her wings. Linda is an ordinary little bird, but she has a brave and curious heart. She is always eager to explore further and learn more. A mysterious wind blew through the enchanted forest, and a soft song came. Linda followed this beautiful melody and flew through a forest of ancient trees to a waterfall shrouded in magic. The water drops of the waterfall emit colorful light, like thousands of gems dancing in the air. Suddenly, a little elf rose from the water. Her name was Arya. She is the guardian of this magical forest and the bringer of miracles. Arya told Linda that this forest is full of magical power. As long as you have good intentions and courage, you can discover incredible miracles. Linda was deeply attracted by this intoxicating scene, and she decided to follow Arya to explore this mysterious, magical forest. Arya guides Linda through winding paths and past meadows full of green grass and flowers. Along the way, she meets a kind fox and a smart rabbit, who also join this wonderful adventure. Finally, they came to the depths of the forest and discovered a mysterious crystal palace. There's a huge heart-shaped crystal in the center of the palace, which emits a warm glow. Arya tells Linda that the crystal is the soul of the enchanted forest and represents love and harmony for all living things. As long as everyone has good intentions, the enchanted forest will be full of miracles. Linda and her new friends felt this warm power and decided to protect this magical forest so that it would always be full of miracles. So, they sow the seeds of friendship in the forest every day, making every leaf full of magical light. Since then, the miracle of the magic forest has spread throughout the land, attracting more creatures to join this beautiful home. Linda and her friends lived a happy and harmonious life, and the magic forest became a magical place that will never disappear.